Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook. You cannot make this sense at the moment. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Click on apps. Go to manage apps. Search Facebook application. Tap on Facebook application. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data on Facebook application. Go back. Again tap on apps permission. You can allow all Facebook apps permission. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Facebook application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Click on Wi-Fi. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection is stable. Step 4. Restart your device. Again open your Facebook application. You can follow all of the steps to fix. You cannot make this sense at the moment.